So this video is to document some of the issues I'm having here building this fixture table. This is 1/2-inch plate. It's fairly flat from north to south here with a aluminum level. I can't get a 45 thousandths. Feeler gauge underneath it. I haven't really checked east to west, but I don't know that that even makes any difference. I thought at one time maybe this did. So the issue I'm having here is I started on this about a week and a half ago, and I started in this corner here. I checked this all for square. I did the 3-4-5 thing, and it's pretty square. So I started this corner here with 2 rows, as you can see. So, and if we go down through here, every one of these is fitting just fine. So I decided to go over here. Same thing. All my holes are fitting great. Go up here. So in the process, I decided to go north. I've done 8 rows of 12. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows of 12. And I got this turned around, but basically how I've done this is I've gone pin here, and drilled my 12 holes. Gone up 1. I assume, to me, that's common sense on how you do that. And I guess in watching the video, that's how the gentleman on the video did the same thing, just went up. So after doing these 8 rows, I decided, well, I'm going to check my square here. So put a pin in the bottom corner. The pin barely goes into the second hole, doesn't go into the third hole, won't go into any hole at all, and it's that way all the way across here. And this here is the end hole, 8 rows up. And I mean, I'm probably a good 20-25 thousandths off. And it's progressively getting worse. And it's that way all the way across. We'll move down here. This is 11 holes down. Basically, same thing. So I can go 3 holes up, 4 there, barely 5. It'll barely go in. I could hammer it in. Ugh. Nothing there, nothing there, and nothing there. This video is really jerking around. I'm sorry. This is not very professional at this. Same thing here in the middle. Nothing there. Can't get in there. I can get in the third hole. If I push hard enough, the 4th hole, I could hammer that one in. So that is my issue. Like I said, going east and west or left to right, this really isn't going to be an issue. But going north to south, I'm going to progressively get worse. And by the time I'm done at the end, I'm going to be 60-70 thousandths out. I don't know if this makes any difference. To me it does. I should be able to go put a pin here and go up here and put a pin in the hole and see it. And here again, in this hole here, same thing. Kind of hard to see, but I mean, you can definitely feel it and see it. So either I'm doing something wrong or this jig is not made right. And I got over $300 in this piece of steel that's worth nothing right now, I guess. So any advice is appreciated. If I can fix this going forward, I could probably make this table work. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. So thanks for looking.